Hello from Spiaggia di Poetto or Poetto Beach in Cagliari, Sardinia. And I'm right now all alone on the beach. The beach is long 8 kilometers, which makes it one of the longest beaches on the island. And yeah, what a nice way to end the beach adventures in Sardinia on this day 3, full day 3, on this 23rd of October. It is 5:43 p.m. and it's only 50 minutes away until sunset. And now we're gonna have fun with flags on the beach, as here it is a volleyball beach court that is closed, and maybe some kind of competition was held here. So we are starting with the flag of Sardinia, which is this one. And then we continue to the flag of Italy, which is the country where Sardinia is. And then on the other side we have Spain over there. And then we continue to Switzerland, where they also speak Italian in one of the parts, as Italian is one of the 4 official languages in Switzerland. And there we have the Netherlands, the land of Europapa. Continuing with the United Kingdom, Great Britain and Northern Ireland, also known as. And there we have Belgium, followed by France. And north of Sardinia Island you can find Corsica, another big island in the Mediterranean Sea, and there we have the European Union flag. There was another flag over there, maybe, or something green, I'm not sure which flag was that, but it's a bit ripped off, which is a shame. And then we have 2 more flags of Sardinia. So yeah, starting off the beach adventure with flags, because I'm apart from being a beach addict, I'm also a flag addict, or geography as such. And I love exploring new islands and also new countries. But in Italy I have been so many times before, but I have never been to Sardinia. And I have had a blast. So I had 3 full days and also partly 2 other days which I on the arrival and departure. But for beach adventures, 3 full days. And on the day 1, which was 2 days ago, I explored some beaches in Cagliari, which were around that peninsula on the other side, including one nudist beach. And yesterday I went to Villa Simius, which is another town 1.5 hours from Cagliari that has so many beautiful beaches. So yesterday was such a blast. And now, today I'm enjoying a full day at the beach after exploring a bit in the city earlier today. Now we have super windy afternoon, and many of the people that were on the beach left, and I also walked a bit further up, right? But I'm still not even close to the center of the beach, because this beach is 8 kilometers long, and now I am maybe 2 or 3 kilometers in from the start of the beach. And to the start of the beach to the center of Cagliari is around 5 to 6 kilometers depending on the route. Now let's enjoy a nice swim in the sea, Mediterranean Sea, one last time, because this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and yeah, I love being in the sea and love being on the beach. I'm really addicted to the beach. So, with this wonderful golden hour at Poetto Beach, the most popular beach in Cagliari, it's time to go in for a swim. So, are you ready? Oh. Yes, 24 degrees Celsius in the air currently and 24 in the sea. But it's a bit windy, so it's a bit kind of chillier than that, to be fair. Woo! What a beautiful sunset is going to be, for sure. All right, so ready, set, and go! Woo. Yes, so today I have been only 2 times in the water, 20 minutes each, and now I need to round that up to 1 hour. So I'm going to swim after this vlog for 20 minutes. And now we have even some waves coming from the north front winds. And in the area where I am, I'm not really sure if it is popular in summer, but it seems so all over along the coast here in this huge beach. I think it is lots of parties and maybe a lot more sunbeds than there are right now, as it is obviously off season currently. So that is a wrap from the beach adventures in Cagliari and Sardinia. I'm so happy that I have explored the island of Sardinia, and I maybe come back because there are so many beautiful beaches around the whole island, because there are 1.5 million people here in Sardinia, and the whole island is almost 25,000 square meters, which is almost exactly the same as Macedonia, my home country, where 2 million people live. In Cagliari, 500,000, so 1/3 of the population lives in Cagliari. Okay, that's enough. Now it's time for me to swim. Thank you so much, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.